Good morning, children. Welcome back to the revision of formative assessment 1, children. We have seen yesterday about the globe, the model of earth, and we tried to understand about the lines which are present on the globe, like the latitudes and longitudes we tried to understand. Today we learn about the Penamakuru and also about the different kinds of landforms. Generally we have seen three kinds of landforms under the unit called as landforms. We have seen mountains, we have seen, okay, and plateaus, okay, and even about plains we have seen. So mountains, you know it very well, the rocky elevated area of land is called as a mountain, but whereas plateaus, they rise above the sea level, okay, it's a flat land which is often uneven, okay, and it's a rocky surface is called as a plateau. Plain mean a gentle slope and evenly distributed land you find for a slope. So these are the three kinds of landforms which we try to understand, and we also try to understand what kind of what mountains are present in Telangana region in which direction. So in the districts of Adilabad, what kind of mountain ranges are present, and what kind of mountains are present in Mahbub Nagar and Rangareddy district. If you look at that, children, the Satmala hills are present in Adilabad, okay, I write down this one, Satmala hills are present in Adilabad, and next is Balaghat range. This is present in Mahbub Nagar district, and third one is Anantagiri hills, these are present in Rangareddy, and fourth one is Kandikal hills, these are present in Karimnagar and part of Warangal, and we have seen one lesson called as Penugol, that is present in Kandikal hills only. And the last one is Rocky hills, these are present in Karimnagar, that is Peddapalli, now presently Peddapalli. So please remember these all mountain ranges which are present in Telangana region. So apart from that, plateaus are the highlands, they are generally above the sea level, and they have more flat lands and some hills in between them, and the Deccan plateau is the largest plateau in India, and even Telangana plateau is also a part of the Deccan plateau. Large portions of Telangana full in the plateau region, which we call it as Telangana plateau. The plains will have leveled lands or the gentle slopes you find. The physical features of the land like mountains, plateaus, plains are also called as relief features. There are two main rivers which cut through the Telangana. One is river Godavari, the other one is river Krishna. So river Godavari actually takes its birth at Trayambak in Nasik district of Maharashtra, and from there it enters into Telangana from Basra. And the second one is river Krishna. It takes its birth at Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra, flows across Maharashtra, and then enters into Telangana, and from there also it joins. Of course, its tributary Tungabhadra comes from Andhra Pradesh and joins into Krishna, and from here it again enters into Andhra Pradesh and they join into Bay of Bengal. So the origin of these rivers is also very important. And apart from these, children, we shall see about Penamakuru, a plain. It's a region which is located in the delta near Viyuru in the Krishna district. That is a Krishna river delta region. It is actually located in between Bandar Canal and the Krishna river. The soils of Penamakuru are very mostly fertile soil. You find the alluvium soils called as Vondru Bhumi. The fine black clay soils also you find called as Nallaregad Bhumi is also found, is seen in Penamakuru. 2 to 3 crops can be easily grown in Penamakuru, and the region, Krishna Delta region, receives the most share of the rain through the southwest monsoon. That means in the month of June, July, August only much of the rainfall is received in this region. The lowlands of Penamakuru are irrigated by the canal water, whereas the high elevated areas are irrigated through the bore wells. Since Penamakuru is on high ground, So it was not adversely affected during the worst floods of 1997, 2006 and 2009. And paddy is the chief crop of Penamakuru. So we shall see about Penamakuru in detail in the next class, children. Thank you.